how long does a breast augmentation last?
So how long does it last? Well, loaded question. It lasts until you have a problem or need to make a change. And so that could be a very long time. The FDA recommends to us that we exchange implants every 10 years. And the reason they do that is because the new gel implants we have really don't run. They're sort of made in a semi-solid. They're kind of like Jell-O. And so it's, even if there is a hole in the implant, it's hard to even figure it out because it just kind of keeps functioning normally. So they sort of arbitrarily told us that at 10 years that we should exchange them. A number of us are happy with that number and think it could be a lot longer or shorter. But one of the things that we do for our patients is anybody with an implant, we offer to see once a year, and we'll sort of monitor and check your implant. And sometimes I can feel if it feels a little different that there might be a problem with the implant, and then we can go ahead and investigate that. But it's sort of a complicated answer in that it's until you decide to make a change or have a problem or hit some sort of time limit and we're worried about a failure in the implant, and then make an exchange at that point.